The best trading platform in Ireland for beginners. Let's do this. Hello everyone, thanks for joining. Let's start with a little bit about myself. My name is Enda, I'm from Ireland and I've been running this YouTube channel for about 3 years now called Enda Trading. And I started trading around the same time. And the platform that helped me start trading is the one I'm going to show you today. And following on 3 years from that, I left my job on a Google AI project in Dublin to pursue trading and content creation full time. This trading platform I will show you now is perfect for beginners as it's easy to use, the website is well laid out, and they also have an app too. And you can trade all assets like stocks, ETFs, indexes, commodities like gold and silver, oil, and you can trade these assets for the short term or if you want to be a long-term investor. Also, the platform offers copy trading, which I will show you all about this throughout the video. So the best trading platform for beginners in Ireland, in my opinion, is eToro. So eToro is currently one of the best trading platforms to buy stocks, but is also a good investment platform for the long term. And it was one of the first trading platforms to offer 0% commission on stocks, and it is the leading copy trading service in the world. Okay, so eToro for Irish residents, the pros and cons. Let's see, it says commission-free stock trading, as I said. Now you do get charged spread fees, which is the difference between the buy and sell price. Some people say that eToro is quite expensive. Trading platform is very advanced. It's very easy for beginners. So you're going to pay a little bit more for the services that you get. And I'll show you that later on in the video. But if we look in here, so it has the copy trading features, and that just means really you can copy other traders' trades. And it's easy to use, modern website and app. As you can see here, if you want to buy a stock, you just click in there and let that load up. Seamless account opening. It's very easy to sign up. And guys, if you want to sign up for a free practice account, I'll leave a link in the description and you can try eToro for free, risk-free. So it's got that low minimum deposit in Ireland of $50. So if you skip them few drinks with the lads during the week, you could start trading on eToro. Got fractional shares. Okay, so that just means you can buy part of the share, because a lot of the platforms out there, you have to buy the whole share. So let's say a share of Apple is 1,000, you'll have to buy one share. But on eToro, you can invest $10 into Apple, so you'll own a percentage of the share. Okay, you have the research and free trading school, which is really nice features too. But look at his reviews here. It's got 15,589 and it has great by Trustpilot. But let's look at Trustpilot here. As you can see, so far so good. I've been on eToro platform for nearly 2 years buying crypto. Easy to navigate. I have a couple of issues I need advice on, and they're prompt and helpful to help me out. So far so good. Now you'll see a lot of these reviews here, they don't read the terms and conditions. Now this person is saying they're in the UK, but like on this Trustpilot, they're not verified, so they can really say anything. But he says he signed up through free cash, so he followed all the instructions. I never heard of this free cash. It's probably a scam, so people scam them, but it wasn't even eToro. Watch out for scams out there. Make sure you use a legitimate website. I think this guy got mixed up in a scam or something like that. Everything about our experience on eToro creating our business account was smooth, so that's a business user there. If I wish to rate my account manager, give him 5 stars. Very helpful. Oh, these are really good reviews here. Is there any bad reviews? Let's look here. eToro daylight robbery. eToro app doesn't work. Not fit for purpose. Lost money. Cleared cookies. Couldn't close trades. Now, a lot of these reviews are for people that don't know how to use the app. Don't really have much experience. Now, not every platform is perfect, but I've never had any issues with eToro at all. Like, I don't know, like people don't know how to use and they lose money and they can't trade and they don't know what they're doing, and then they just blame eToro. Spam social media. I've been using eToro a few months now, quite satisfied with the overall function. One enormous turn off is the overload of daily spam posting on the social media aspect. Now, I do agree with this. Don't even really follow the newsfeed, the social media aspect of it, but you can turn off your notifications for that, etc. And you can put your account to private, and you only get messages from people you follow, stocks and stuff that you follow. So again, if people kind of knew more about eToro, how to use it, there's ways to stop this. Software is very user-friendly, reliable, either on mobile or web, and I agree. I've even day traded on my mobile. So overall, eToro gets mostly good reviews, excellent 56 reviews. reviews, and a lot of these bad reviews here are people don't know what they're doing and don't really have any experience in trading, and that's why you need to use the practice account first. But let's go back to my website here. So what can you trade on eToro? So you can trade stocks, ETFs, CFDs, commodities, cryptos, and currencies with eToro, and it's very easy to do that. You can just come to the discover page here, and you can see here you have explore stocks. You just click on it and you select whatever one, or you can search up here what you want, like Apple, etc. There's actually 2,981 stocks from leading exchanges in the world, such as London, Nasdaq, Hong Kong, Paris, and many more. So all around the world, you can trade stocks from different exchanges. There's over 70 cryptocurrencies, including the big players and some of the smaller cryptocurrencies. There's 264 of the largest ETFs from Vanguard, iShare, SPDF, and many more. 32 commodities like gold, silver, oil, wheat, cotton, and sugar. And all of the top indices such as the UK 100, Nasdaq 100, one of my favorites, SPX 500, so that's the S&P 500, China 50, Australia 200. So 49 currency pairs, so Euro, USD, and the copy trading lets you automatically copy the trades of traders you choose in your own account. To put it simply, it is trading on financial markets with the help of traders from all over the world. So next, let's look at what are eToro fees. Okay, so as I said, you can open a free account. I'll leave a link in the description for that, a free demo account. No management fees and 0% on stocks. Okay, no markup, ticketing fees, or stamp duty, only bid-ask market spreads. So that's the market spread price. That's how eToro makes most of its money. They have crypto. When you buy and sell crypto on eToro, you pay a 1% fee. Okay, so you have the conversion fee now. eToro works in US dollars, and once you invest with euros, it'll automatically be changed into USD, as a lot of financial services work in US dollars. But eToro has launched the eToro money account, so it's like a debit card like Revolut, where you don't get charged them fees, or you can actually even use Revolut to avoid them fees. Also, you have a withdrawal fee, so every time you withdraw money, you get a $5 fee. Now, the minimum for me is $50. So you have overnight and weekend fees on CFD trading. So this means if you trade anything that you don't own the underlying asset, or if you use leverage, you're going to, or short a stock, meaning you're selling it, betting the price is going to go down, you're going to get overnight and weekend fees. So eToro, like the majority of other CFD trading platforms, charges overnight and weekend fees, which are essentially a tiny cost for lending you money to store the asset. So spread fees are incurred when you purchase any asset or instrument on eToro, including stocks and other assets. So that's just the difference between the buy and sell price. So if you buy a stock for $10, you sell it straight away, it might be $10.07, and that 7 cents goes to eToro. And this one here, I don't know how often, just watch out for this inactive fee. So if you don't log in for a year, eToro will charge you $10 a month. Okay, some of the frequently asked questions about the eToro. So what is the minimum deposit on eToro? The minimum deposit for Ireland is $50 using a credit card or debit card, PayPal, and it's usually instant. And the minimum deposit using a bank transfer is $500, and it can take 2 to 3 days. Now, when you start off with your first deposit, it could take a little bit longer. Just keep that in mind. But once the bank recognizes eToro, it's pretty instant. So where is eToro based? So eToro has an office, and they have it in 1 Canada Square, Canary Wharf in London, but our main office is in Israel. Okay, so is eToro regulated? Yes, eToro is regulated in Ireland and Europe by CSEC. Okay, so let's come back to the platform here. So real money just means real cash. So this is my demo account here. You can see up here it's home, watch list, portfolio, discover, and you can switch between your real and demo account here. But let's just say I wanted to invest in Apple. I just put in Apple there, and you can just click on trade, and it's so easy. So let's let's say I wanted to buy. So the stock market's closed today because it's the 4th of July. And remember, the US stock market opens at 9:30 to 4:30 US time. So let's just say I wanted to put in the minimum $10. So I want to buy here. And so all you do is click, you can set your take profit and stop loss and just click set order. And that's how easy it is, guys. And that will buy that stock when the market opens. But if the market was open, that would buy it straight away. So you can see here, very nicely laid out. It's kind of like Apple design or Googly design, but you can see here all of the tickers up there. Now, let's go through a topic that I know for beginners, especially for myself when I started out. Who am I going to trust my money with? My hard-earned money while I was working. So this part of the video is called, Is eToro Safe? As I said, it's an Israel-based platform. It has more than over 25 million users worldwide. Now, they're registered users, so not all traders. There might be like 3 million people that actually actively trade. eToro manages over 9.4 billion. Now, these figures could change on the date, but that's a massive amount of money to be managing. And the company has never reported a security breach or client money loss, was never been hacked, etc. This trading platform is regulated and it handles billions of dollars safely. So how does eToro account security work? eToro invests a lot of time and money into the account security. TLS encrypts all data you send to eToro, so all your data is encrypted. So eToro protects this data with firewalls and cold storage. It hires hackers, to find firewall flaws for bugs, etc. It has multi-factor authentication, so you can set up two-factor authentication on your phone, and they've even released a facial login now. It has cybersecurity professionals monitoring eToro network 24/7 for hacks and data leaks. So that's just some of the security that's behind eToro. I've never had a problem or heard anything about eToro getting attacked or hacked or anything like that. But I'll go through how also your money is protected. So eToro revenue and profit. So it makes most of its money, 87%, through spread fees, as I said earlier in the video. If eToro goes bankrupt, eToro's structure is similar to most brokers. Your securities are held in segregated bank accounts. So that means that your money that's in your account, your available balance, is actually stored in a separate bank account for your account. So it's away from your platform, etc. So in practice, if they went bankrupt, you might have to wait months to years for the financial authorities to identify your assets and transfer them to another broker. So let's say your Apple stocks, if they went bankrupt, they will be transferred back to you to another broker that you can sell or etc. or just keep holding. And so also with the money that's in your account, if they go bankrupt, this will be returned to you minus administration fees. So this will be faster. Also, eToro recently launched this in the last 2 years, free €1 million to Irish residents. And this is run by Lloyd's of London. And everyone knows Lloyd's, one of the world's leading insurance providers. All eToro clients get this automatically, so you don't have to register. And the policy covers losses due to eToro bankruptcy, misconduct by eToro or its employees, or theft of financial instruments. Now, one thing to note here, if you're trading Bitcoin or crypto, these aren't covered by these insurance because they're not regulated. My thoughts. I think eToro is safe. It's easy to use to trade crypto, other assets. The social trading feature makes it stand out from other exchanges and brokers. So if you don't want to have time or experience, or don't want to learn about trading, you can just copy other traders and let them do the hard work for you. You can follow traders from all around the world, chat with them, copy their trades. Beginner can trade like a pro. It's fun and can help you learn to make money, or like with all trading, you can lose money too. Just be wary of that. You can also use leverage and short, so you can use your leverage to increase your strength of your investment or how much you're investing with. But I wouldn't advise leverage for beginners and shorten either for beginners. That means that you're betting that the price will go down, but we're in a bear market now, so a lot of people are shorting the market. Be smart with your investment. So it's an all-in-one trading platform, unique features, and I think the features make up for the price of the spread fees. Overall, I give it a 5 out of 5. Overall, probably might change that to a 4.5 because of the spread fees and the feed can be a bit spammy, the social feed like Facebook it is. So if you would like to try eToro risk-free, why not try a free demo account? And I'll leave the link in the description as I said. Okay guys, before I wrap up this video, the best trading platform for beginners in Ireland, I am going to just show you the news feed that I think is quite spammy, and I don't really pay attention to this news feed. It's just like Facebook and people can tag in assets, but you can turn this off by unfollowing these assets. But the assets you invest in will show up here, what people comment about them. And this is the eToro online trading school. Now, to be honest, I have never used this, but that could be good for beginners because I did a course myself on trading separate from eToro. You can also check out my website at buystocks.ai. I left the link in the description and I wrote a review of eToro here. But guys, that's pretty much it. If you want me to make more of these videos, please like and subscribe. And remember, if you want a free demo trading account, I'll leave the link in the description. You can come here and you just click on here. Let's get started. And it's easy to sign up. Just remember to pick a unique username because you can't change that afterwards. And you just put in your email address and that will get you access to the demo account. You don't have to put in anything else. Now, if you want to do real money, you'll have to upload your ID and your proof of address, etc. But I made videos on that too. I'll see you on the next video. Peace and love. Thanks very much for watching and have a great day ahead. Bye.